Hey guys, it's Angelo, and today I am going to be doing a little bit of a vlog. I already uploaded 2 videos. They're called a update and she locked me out, so I'll show you those right now. Update and she locked me out, and then I have those other 3 videos that I made yesterday. Actually, other 4 videos. 4 of those, and right now I'm about to make a vlog. Okay, so my grandma's gonna make me some breakfast, and then my sister has to go to school, and I'm probably gonna ride with them. So let's just go into the vlog. This is my dog Berkeley. My dog Berkey, Boo. Later on, I'm going to go and spend my money, so knock.
The rest of the towel or sheets, I'll wash them for you, okay? Huh?
Okay, guys, that was just in my room. I'm gonna go outside. See my friends. I'm gonna get this car and see if I can find something. Gloves. I like stuff. I actually sort of do write my own songs. I haven't posted one yet, but stay tuned for that. And also, like here, my binders. The reason why this binder says star on it, because this was my last binder from 3rd grade. So I have my song writing journal, and then I have all my songs. I have a song called Out of Water, a song called The Underground. I have a song called Night or Day. And then I have a song called Eggy Diggy. So stay tuned for those. Oh god! Yo! I dropped my camera. I actually just dropped my camera. I just dropped my camera. Okay. It's okay, it's just a little bit scratched. Okay, it's okay. Bye, Corey. That was Corey. You didn't know my uncle? Oh! Filming. Recording. Vlog.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You're recording me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Angela, could you please Papa?
Take Papa. Where's he at? Okay. Here you go, Papa. Hurricane Matthew is hitting the red house today, Julie. How do you feel about that?
8:14, you got plenty of time.
But what if it does?
It does.
8:40?
It does. You know it does. It comes 20 minutes before you. It comes at 8:15 and what time does it come normally? Or 7:15. Okay. So you got plenty of time. You should have gotten up earlier. You know, you don't have to fucking sleep until noon.
She walked into school. She's going to school. She's going
Stella,
to
I see you.
school. And she just yelled at her friend,
Now what
Sal.
time does the bus come on Wednesday?
It's never clean.
He's walking with me now.
Who are you yelling at?
Sal.
Why?
Because every time he sees me, he tries going back inside.
Did he run from you?
Yeah.
Why he doesn't want to walk with you?
I don't know, ask Sal.
You got plenty of time. Now go.
I am going.
You'll never be this cool.
He
No.
said he'd come. He has to get his shoes on. Getting his shoes on.
Why is our mailbox open?
Somebody's noticing him.
Where's she at?
She was in our door window. No, you get Sal. He's coming. I feel like I forgot Chloe's book on my bed. Run and get it.
No, I'm knocking for Sal. You
Are
go
you
get it real
kidding
quick.
me, Angela? You're coming with Julie, right?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we have to go right now, so.
Okay, yes.
Leave your dog. I'm running. I'm running. Oh God. I just got attacked by Salvador's dog. He let his dog. He sicked his dog on me. It actually attacked me though. Bye, Julie. I just got attacked.
Put this on the door, Angela. We're gonna take that
I
one
can't.
down. Huh? Did you hear Mama? We're gonna
Can't
put this one
reach.
down.
I can't reach.
What?
That
We'll
one.
We'll have Papa do it. The door.
Mhm.
See? That looks scary.
Yeah.
I'll put it up, okay? Matter of fact, you can take him and ask him to put it up before he leaves this morning, okay?
Okay.
How's that? Yeah?
Yeah. Wait, is he taking the car?
Yeah.
Nanny, no.
Yeah, and then when we get home, and after Julie gets home, we'll go and do shopping for you.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so. Oh, I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and peace.